Sue here. I just wanted to start by saying thanks so much for hosting with me. My business is 100% word of mouth, so I so appreciate you selecting me to be your consultant. So let me help you have a successful show. Our first job is to get the guests into the party, and there are a couple ways to do that. The most effective way is to make it as personal as you can. So either sending a text message or a private Facebook message, not a group chat, because people will leave group chats because they'll be pinged all day long. So what you want to do is you want to send them a little invitation that says, hey, click this link and join my Facebook virtual party for a few days of food, fun, and friends. I hope to see you there, and I'll send you the information for that. One of the things that you need to know is that my goal is to help you have a $1,000 show or more where you can get $215 free, 5 half-price items, and a bonus item at 60% off. So the way to do that statistically is we need to have 50 people click join from your group. And the way to do that is usually it takes about 150 people invited to get about a third of them to say yes, they're coming. So that would get 50 there. And of the 50 who actually join the group, about a third of those, or 16, will place an order. I'll be mailing you a host packet with some catalogs. You're going to pass those around your friends, neighbors, coworkers, relatives, anybody who's not on Facebook, and you're going to let them look through it, and I'm going to give you a link that will go to the interactive catalog, so it'll turn pages like you're holding the catalog in your hand, but it'll also have a list of alphabetical hosts, and so they can just find your name, click on that, and order from your specific link. If you have any questions, give me a call, but I'll be sending you another video about a few other things that will make a successful show. The last thing I want to tell you about is part of your host rewards is called a kit credit. If you would be interested in doing what I do, whether it's a virtual Facebook party or maybe you would like to do live cooking shows, I can help you get jump started with your business. Plus, you can use $25 or $50 of your free products towards the cost of your kit. So if that's something that you'd like more information about, just send me a message back and I would be happy to attach a little brochure and answer any questions that you have. Remember, any bookings that come from your show would jumpstart your own business. So I would love to partner with you, not just for hosting, but for a side gig if that's what you'd like, or as I do it, as a full-time career. You never know what a little kit might do for you in the future. So I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.